good evening, everyone. Today, I want to share a funny story that illustrates the importance of narrative. We often think of stories as a serious or profound thing, but they can also be hilarious and enlightening. Trust me. So, sit back, enjoy the table of the Great Spaghetti Incident. It all began on a typical Friday night when I went to my friend's house and decided that we should call our friends on a brunch. So, my friend Aditi and I decided to host a snacks party. Like, as I just told you. Now, let me tell you that neither of us are experts. Our idea of gourmet was just microwaving instant noodles, and we were determined that it could work. But we thought that we should do something interesting. After browsing a few cooking blogs, we settled down on making spaghetti, an easy, classic, simple thing. The plan was simple: boil water, pick up pasta, toss it over in the sauce, and what could go wrong, right? As the evening approached, the excitement built up. We set the table, lit some candles, and put on our best playlist. Just as we started boiling the water, our friend Diksha arrived. Diksha was known for her dramatic flair. She once performed a monologue from a very famous movie, Sonu Ki Titu Ki Sweetie. Let's just say it was a blast. Yeah. So when she walked in, we knew that we were in for some fun. She asked, can she do something and help us? While seeing the pot of boiling water. So we handed her a spoon and said, please just stir this water. Now, here's where the things took a turn. In midst of stirring, Disha said, spaghetti is just basically long noodles, right? And I laughed and replied, yeah, but they look cooler and it's like a party for your mouth. Just then, Aditi, who was supposed to be wanting the sauce, got distracted by video on her phone. Diksha and I were in the kitchen, chatting and staring, when I noticed the pot starting to bubble over. Uh, I yelled, but she was too engrossed in her video to hear me. So I rushed to the stove, but it was too late. The boiling water erupted like a mini volcano, splattering everywhere. And in my attempt to handle the situation, I reached for the pot. What I did not realize was that the spaghetti was now a sticky mess at the bottom of a pot. As I pulled it over, a long strand of spaghetti flew through the air and landed right on Diksha's forehead. For a moment, we all froze. Diksha stood there, looking like a pasta wearing queen. And then we all burst into a laughter. This is certainly a new style, and it was for her. And that's when the real chaos started beginning. And finally we noticed that what was happening. That is when Aditi noticed that what is exactly happening. And she started laughing so hard that she knocked over the Mariana sauce, which spilled all over the table. Now we had a scene. Disha with spaghetti on her hand, sauce all over the table, and both of us doubled over in the laughter. We looked like we just survived a food fight. As we cleaned up, I realized something important. The story we could tell about this dinner party would not be one of a very successful thing, but rather of this hilarious mishappening. That is what made it memorable. We even put the Diksha's head back on the table as a centerpiece. So, as we navigate life, let's remember that it's not just about the perfect outcome. It's about the stories that we create along the way. And sometimes those stories are the best part. Thank you for listening to me and listening to my spaghetti saga. I hope it reminded you to embrace the humor in your own narratives. Thank you.